In this video, I'm going to teach you how to send email on MailerLite. So in order to do this, you need to head over first to MailerLite.com and from in there, click on this sign up free option in order to create an account. Now, if you already created one and you already have an account, proceed to click on this login. Since I already have an account, let's click on this login right here. I have in here the email that I can send out to my subscribers. So in order to send out this particular email, what we can do is we can head over and click on this done editing once you are actually done with customizing your email. When you click on it, you will be redirected to this next page wherein you can actually schedule or send it to subscribers list you have. You can see in here your campaign details. Make sure to review it right here. You can see the language as well as recipients, and in here you can schedule your campaign. You can already send it now, send later, or based on time zones. You can also choose smart sending to deliver your campaign to subscribers when they're most likely to engage. So choose right here which one you want. For example, I'll choose in here this send now. Now from in there, you can send first a test email if you would want, but if you're already decided with it, proceed to click on the send option and then choosing here the see the actual summary of terms and condition. Once you're done, click on confirm. Then this will load in order to send your email. And once it's done, you can see in here that it will actually be ready to be sent. You can see it right here. So for this one, you can see the actual sending time. It's already on the outbox. Just wait for this to be on the send option and it should be done already. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.